Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Tricks Tutorials. Today I will show you how you can add an echo effect to your videos using the CapCut app. Let's get started. First, open the CapCut app and import the videos you'd like to edit. Select the video and extract audio from the video by clicking the left mouse. To add the echo effect, simply tap on your video or sound file, then navigate to the Voice Effects section. You'll find the echo effect at the bottom. Before applying the effect, let me play the original sound for you to compare.
Hello, this is my voice. Mic test, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Now, let's hear how it sounds with the echo effect applied.
Hello, this is my voice. Mic test, 1, 2, 3, 4.
As you can hear, the echo effect adds depth and dimension to the audio. And that's all. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. See you in the next one.